In this video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your iPhone 15 Pro Max is original. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you aren't sure if your particular iPhone is real or fake, you can use these methods that I'm going to showcase in this video to check. This will work for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and also any other model of iPhone that you have. So even if you have a different one, you can still follow along. This will be done by comparing the serial number of your device. So the serial number is going to be a unique number attached to every iPhone that is manufactured. Yours is going to have a unique number and we will be using that to figure out if it is original. So to do this, go into the settings of the iPhone. So while it is powered on, go to the settings, access the general category, and inside of general, the main option at the top will be about. So under general, go to the about section. And in here, you will have model name, model number, and serial number. The two most important ones are going to be the numbers, so model number and serial number. What you have to do is grab the box of your iPhone and they will be displayed here so you can clearly see serial number. You can also find the model number, but comparing the serial number should already be enough. So you have to check if these two numbers match. So for example, if this one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5A, this one would also have to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5A. So you just have to make sure that they match and they are equal. If they match with each other, this indicates that your iPhone is original, it is genuine, and it is the one that was sold to you in this particular box. Once again, you can also compare the model number. Now, a double check to do to absolutely ensure that it is original is to copy the serial number, so you can tap and hold on this number to copy it. And once it has been copied, then open a web browser. You can do this on your phone or your PC, and you have to go to this website, checkcoverage.apple.com. So you go to checkcoverage.apple.com. In here, you will be able to input the serial number that you copied from your phone, and you just have to do the CAPTCHA in order to submit. Sadly, I don't have a serial number at hand to demonstrate this process with, but this website will let you know if the device is covered by the Apple services, and besides that, it is also going to give you the original purchase date. So you can tell that your iPhone is original because if it is able to be registered in this page, it indicates that it was manufactured by Apple and it is genuine. Otherwise, it would just give you an error message telling you that it is not covered by Apple because the serial number is not registered within their system. So just follow these instructions and you will be able to get the process done to check if your iPhone is original. Do the settings, general, and about method first, compare it with the box, and then go to checkcoverage.apple.com and input it there. I hope I was able to help you on how to know if your iPhone 15 Pro Max is original. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.